This is Devlog 1 for my Comp 3000 project, in which I am creating a VR game where players will have to navigate their surroundings using echolocation to find or hide from other players. So this is my initial echolocation system for providing players a short visual of their surroundings by pressing the E button on the keyboard. How this works is when the script that is attached to the player detects a user input, it will spawn in a particle system. This particle system will fire out in a circular trajectory, and using colliders, any object in view will emit a light. I used a glow material for the effect on the object, however, in future I would like it to be more of an outline glow effect. Anything that doesn't have the echo object won't emit light. I've also added a model to show the pulse going out towards the object to make it more like a visual pulse that the players can use to determine the distance of objects. Next, I'll be working more on the echolocation system to try and mimic how sound travels over objects and return to the player, like how bats would utilize echolocation. I will also be working on visual sounds for objects such as glass on the floor, which when a player walks over, other players in the scene will be able to see it, as it will create a visual alert, similar to how Dead by Daylight shows a killer when players make a mistake on a generator. Talking on the microphone in game will also make a visual effect similar to the effect I want to produce for the echolocation, so that the seekers can use this to determine where players may be hiding. I've also added an initial multiplayer over LAN system, which will enable players to join one another. Currently, there are a few bugs, and I need to add more detail to the lobby system to make it more visually appealing. But I'll just show you here how the multiplayer works. So you can either choose to host or you can be a client. So on this one, I'll host, and that will start a match here. And once I join over on the other one as a client, we'll be in the same game. You can ready up, and once all players are ready, the start button will become available. Uh, and then you will start here. As I said, there are a few bugs, so it's currently controlling the other player. That's all for now. I'll be posting more development logs as more features are produced. Thanks.